So we're going to do synthetic division now, and like I said before, even though we're calling it division, it's ironically it's a lot of addition and multiplication. And the pattern we're about to use, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense, but luckily for us it's not that difficult to do, and we can see that it's going to give answers that actually do what they're supposed to do, that actually do work. And here's how this is going to work. We talked about how this is all set up, and the first thing we do is whatever number's right here on the inside, we just drop that straight down. Just drop it down. It's a 3. And then, whatever number's here, you multiply these two things together. And you take that answer, which is -6, and that answer goes up here. And then these two numbers, they get added together. And we just keep doing that. So 19 and -6, those add and they make, I want to say 13, because that's the correct answer. And then these outer numbers get multiplied together, and that makes it -26. I'm going to add these together to get -4. So now we're multiplying the outer things to get a +8. These get added, they make +2. Multiply these to get -4. These get added, they make 0. And now the other part is this. This 3 represented a 3x cubed. So this 3 was for 3x cubed. That means that, bloop, this 3 is going to be 1 power lower. So if this was 3x to the 4th, this is 3x cubed. If this 19 was x cubed, this 13 is for x squared. If this is for x squared, this is for x. This had an x term, so this has the constant. And that's what happens, and there's no remainder. So our final answer, if I have to divide, this polynomial by this polynomial, and I use this method, the answer is going to be 3x cubed plus 13x squared minus 4x plus 2. Now I'll say this is kind of like, it's going to feel a little bit like a magic trick. Maybe the world's most boring magic trick, but a magic trick nonetheless. And if you don't believe this answer is correct, what you can do is take what you divided by, take x plus 2. You can multiply it by the answer that you conjured up using these rules that I gave and did not explain. And if you take x times all these and 2 times all these and combine like terms, you'll see this is what you get back. It's kind of a cool thing to do. Take a minute to do it. Even though you know what's going to happen, that's why it's kind of like a card trick. Like if a magician does a card trick, when he shows me that the card he picks is the one I had, I knew that was going to happen. I'm still flabbergasted, and you will be too. So give it a try, and if you really start to think about it, these rules do make sense, but you really got to dedicate yourself to try and understand that. So maybe another summer we can worry about that. So good luck with this. Basically, like a quick review, you drop this number down, multiply, the answer goes there. Add, the answer goes there. Multiply the outer numbers, put the answer there. Add the inner numbers, the answer goes there. This is not the way I usually write my work, by the way, so I'm going to show you that in just a different video if you want to check it out, and I'll definitely slip into that method of doing things down the road, so you might want to look and see what's going on with that. Good luck.